Hi friends, welcome to my 17th video on Power Query. Today's topic is case study accounting of small business with issues. In my 16th video, I told you how to prepare accounting of small business. While preparing accounts, you may face four issues which I have jotted down. Now we'll see one by one. So first issue is Power Query is a case sensitive. In Excel, if you type any character in capital in one cell and in another cell if you type in a small case, and if you ask system whether both the cells are tally, it will show tally. But in Power Query, capital S is not tally with small s. So salary with a capital S, starting with capital S, will not show match if you type spelling of capital small. If you put spelling of salary start with small s. So how to overcome this issue? Let us see. We have this cash book. I'll just enter one entry where I'll put salary where S is small, and I'll put 4,500 as a salary, and I'll go to trial balance and I'll refresh the data. See, the new salary head has created it. This salary spelling is exactly matched with salary that is appearing in row number 30, because salary S as per our account master, where S is a capital. So how to overcome this? So for that, let us first select day book. We'll select day book and we'll select account head. Then we'll do transformation and we'll convert all the account master as capital each word. So by default, if you type small s, then also system will convert into capital S, and then will close and load. And even in master, if you fail to type properly, then also we can use we can change the master text format. So for that, I'll select account head and I'll just transform as capital each word. File, close and load. Now if you refresh the query, data, refresh all, salary is added, and this issue is solved. The next issue is sometimes we keep account head blank. For example, this is a purchase account. So if I have not entered anything in the account master, account head, then naturally your cash balance will reduce because you have put the figure, but corresponding second effect will not adjusted or affected in the trial balance. So your trial balance will show difference. Just let us refresh this query. This is the difference 2972. So how to overcome? Whenever you find a difference, just go to the sheet and filter it out and check whether there is any blank. So I'll select blank and select OK. Immediately you will see there is a account head which is blank. So I'll put purchase and refresh the query. My balance is tally. Sometimes we add entries in between the cash book. For example, if I insert one line, I'll just copy and I'll put purchase as say 1500 and refresh the query. Balance shows 1500. What happened when you insert the insert this 1500? The closing balance is not changed. So whenever you insert the line in between, just go up, copy the formula and apply till the end. And now if you refresh this query, our balance sheet is tally. After making some entries, my trial balance is ready. But trial balance is tally, but this account head does not contain any account head. And secondly, our balance sheet there is a difference of 3524. So how to find where is the exact difference is our fourth issue. It says group by type can tell us where is the mistake. For that purpose, we'll use daybook as our reference. So I'll right click to daybook. I will select reference. My reference query is enabled. I will rename the query as difference finding is my query name. I will transform group by type. My first column name will be receipt. My next column name will be payment. Operation will be sum in both the cases. Column I'll select receipt first, then payment. I'll say OK. So my receipts and payments are ready. Before that, I will go back. I will check the data and I will deselect this blank value or any null value. I'll select OK. Then I'll go here as a group total. I'll take difference of receipt and payment. For that, I'll use add column, sum, standard and subtract. My fresh column name will be difference. I will close and load. Now we come to know that in cash book there is a difference of 20 rupees and in buying book there is a difference of 3565. So now our focus will be in cash book. In cash book we'll check whether any blank account head exists. So I'll check blank. Yeah, it's there, 20 rupees. We'll assume it is a freight charges. I will go here. I'll refresh the query. This 20 rupees difference is gone. Now there is a difference of 3565 in bank book. I'll go to bank book. I'll check. See, 3565 is here. So I'll change it to sales. I will again refresh this difference finding query. My difference finding query shows difference as a nil. So I'll go to trial balance. I will check
whether my trial balance is tally. My trial balance is tally. This conveys is a new head, so I'll copy this conveys. I will put in account master. This figure I will take after salary expense. I will give 19 code to conveys. I will again refresh, and below salary will take conveys in our books of account, in profit and loss account. So I'll insert one row. Here I'll put 19 number. Then I'll recheck whether my formula is correct. No, it's up to 12. So I'll change it to 13. My balance sheet and everything is tally. Trial balance is a tally. So this way you can find the difference. I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel and do watch all my video. I wish you a happy learning. Thank you.